Welcome to the HighLevel dashboard lesson. Now, before we blast off, let's talk about setting up your HighLevel dashboard. First things first, log into your HighLevel account. If you don't have one yet, pause this video and go sign up. Got it? Great. Now, setting up your dashboard is as easy as pie. Navigate to your sub-account and then click on Settings. Here, you can fill in the essential details about your business, including your brand name, logo, and contact information. It's like setting up your spaceship with all the necessary coordinates for a successful journey. At the top, you've got your search bar, your trusty compass in this digital adventure. Next up, let's talk integrations. HighLevel thrives on synergy with other tools. Depending on your business needs, you might want to integrate email, payment systems, and social media. Head to the Integrations tab, and here's where the magic really starts to happen. Leads can be generated from Phone Connect, voicemail drops, SMS, emails, and even Facebook Messenger, but can all be managed on GoHighLevel if you integrate them. Now, how long does all this take? Well, the initial setup can be done in about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on the complexity of your business and the integrations you choose. Remember, this is the foundation of your marketing spaceship, so take the time to ensure it's solid. Speaking of integrations, which ones are crucial? Email integration is a no-brainer. It's your lifeline for communication. Payment systems streamline transactions, while social media integrations expand your reach. It's like assembling the dream team for your marketing mission. Now, let's talk analytics. Your HighLevel dashboard is equipped with a powerful telescope, analytics. Use it to monitor the performance of your campaigns, automations, and websites. Dive into the data, understand user behavior, and optimize your strategies accordingly. This essentially shows where in the sales process we currently are with different clients and projects. It is good practice to check your dashboard at least once a week to see how everything is flowing and make sure there are no errors. I will say Google Ads and analytics data in the dashboard are not as detailed as in their native platforms, so native platforms should be used for accurate analytics and insights. This means that sending Google data to GoHighLevel is not the source of truth, but Google Analytics or Google Data Studio is. You can also edit your dashboard if you have an upgraded plan starting at $497. With this plan, you can move items around in your dashboard, have multiple dashboards, get custom widgets, and tailor it to your specific needs. Now let's talk about the heart of it all, the marketing section. This is where the real magic happens. Dive into email campaigns and watch your marketing messages come to life. Create captivating campaigns that resonate with your audience. You can also create and use email templates so you can save yourself some time. And here's the real magic trick: automations. Think of them as your marketing minions, tirelessly working behind the scenes to make your life easier. Set up workflows, create campaigns, and set up triggers to have business processes become smoother and quicker. Now, let's talk about sites. First, you can create funnels. Drag and drop your way to success and witness the alchemy of turning leads into loyal customers. You can also create websites, blogs, forums, surveys, and pretty much anything your heart desires. Now check out the reporting section. Track all of your Google or Facebook ads, measure your success, and adjust if needed. It's a data-driven journey, my friends. Pro tip: collaborate with your team by adding them as users by going to the settings in Agency View and clicking on Team. Also, don't forget to explore the HighLevel marketplace for extra tools and add-ons to supercharge your dashboard experience. There are free as well as paid apps, spanning from QR code generators to AI apps. So there you have it, HighLevel Pioneers, your HighLevel dashboard crash course. Dive in, explore, experiment, and most importantly, have fun on this intergalactic marketing journey.